Let's do the unboxing now. On the box, best gaming motherboard manufacturer. They got the award. Intel chipset X299 inside, Intel Core X series, Intel Optane memory, NVIDIA SLI, AMD Crossfire. This side you see ROG Extreme name. Next, this side you see the choice of champions. A lot of information on the back side. Wow, welcome to the Republic. The first thing first, black color. I just love the black color. Stickers, I will keep it aside for a while. There's so many things into it. First thing we got is e-waste management. This is my coupon, 20% off on cable mod cables. Fan extension card installation guide, VI Extreme motherboard quick start guide. See this? ROG logo. This is user's guide. So this is UEFI, guys. Okay, this is UEFI. As you can see, these are all UEFI settings. I heard a lot about UEFI implementation of ASUS. I'll have a separate video on UEFI implementation. Screws. What is this? I'll put a coffee mug on it. Is it? We have a USB, the drivers and the software which they provide. Lot of cables. So we'll start with the cards. I do see some cards around. Let's start with the card. What is this? So we'll take it one by one out. Now let's talk about it. So this is one card I have in my hand. I'll keep it aside for a while. 4-way SLI, 2-way SLI, 3-way SLI. That means this motherboard supports up to 4 graphics cards. Going next, we have another card here. Oh, this is DIMM 2. Fan extension card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fans you can connect. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cards. Awesome. This is a VGA clamp. Okay. Which I won't be using, of course. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I believe. That means we have 6 SATA cables. I think this is a water pump holder. This is RGB cable. It has LEDs to it. That means I can have even more LEDs. So these are the LED cables. RGB, I'm not sure. RGB. Now what we have? These are some fan cables. This is all in the box. The first thing I notice about this motherboard is the black color. I just love it. Going next, let's take it out. Oh, you see a Foxconn? You know Foxconn? Foxconn is the same company, I believe, which makes the Apple iPhone. Almost all the mobile boards are made by the Foxconn. I wasn't knowing they make the PC components as well. Awesome. This is our processor area. LGA2066, as you can clearly printed here. That's what it supports. I'll be using this processor, Intel 7960 LGA2066. You can see LGA2066, LGA2066. So whenever you buy, make sure you have a LGA2066 compatible processor. Okay, this is i9 7960. This is the insane configuration. 16 cores it has and 32 threads it will be able to make. I'll do a quick unboxing of this as well. This is the one RGB area. Now it won't be visible. You will be able to see this as a steel plate. It's not a steel actually. It is a plastic at the end. So beneath that there are RGB strips. Here I do see RGB again. Republic of Gamers. This is a ROG logo. This logo is also made in the RGB lights. This entire section will glow again. Again I see RGBs around. A 1-inch screen will be here beside this plastic. This is RGB strip. Amazing. Color, the packaging and the RGBs. 10 out of 10. One thermal pipe is going through it and it is going here. So this is also part of some cooling. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 DIMMs this side, 4 DIMMs this side. This motherboard is insane. This is able to handle up to 128 GB of RAM. You have a DIMM 2 slot here. So if you have a DIMM 2 card, insert it here, start using it. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 PCI 3.0 expansion slots. Now this is a screw here. Let's open it. This is the NVMe slot. Let's put it back. So this side I see WB sensor, that means water block sensor. This side I see CPU fan. Here, these are CPU fan pins. Then you have start and reset button. This is a power supply, AATX. Then it has a UEFI 3.1 generation 2. Again the USB stuff, Then RGB header, you see here. ROG extension, I guess that extension card I will be able to connect it here. Then fan 2, then TPM, that means the power management stuff I will be able to do with this. And this is insane. Now look at here, you have a BIOS reset button and you have a CMOS clear button. What you used to do earlier, open a cabinet, find out the CMOS, replace that battery or remove that battery so that the settings will be moved back to the default. So here you have only a button. From backside you just click on the button and BIOS will be reset. CMOS clear, just a button, CMOS will be get clear. You have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you can connect those antennas which you have seen earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 USB ports, and that to USB 3.1. Then you have Type C, nice, Type C USB, which is USB 3.1 generation 2. Okay, then you have Type A, okay, USB 3.1 generation 2 again. Next you have a 10 gigabit Ethernet card along with the LEDs. Then this is your audio channel. I believe they have provided 8 audio channels, so I guess this is optic cable. From here I can connect this to my AV receiver of Yamaha and I will be able to listen the songs. And this is rear, your speakers you connect. Then you have subwoofer or the center channel speakers you connect it here. Then you have line in, line out, and the mic in. So a lot of things. So this is all. So I will have another 2 videos. One video in which I will be talking about the UEFI implementation of, and next assembly of this into my cabinet. This is another one.